Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to backup your data in ClickUp. So this is really simple and straightforward. In order to backup your data from this app, you will have to go right here to your profile picture and then down here to settings. Now go over to this all settings tab and find where you can see imports and exports. Click on that. Then just simply click on Start Export button right here. And as you can see, import your data from spreadsheets, documents, and popular tools like this one. You can also export your workspace data for offline analysis and backup. So click on Start Export, and as you can see, export your workspace data in CSV format. So start export and then download your export simply like this. So just choose where you want to download it and press save. Now your data are downloaded and you can simply save it somewhere and import them later for backup. It is really this simple. If you want to automatic backup, just use tools like Pro Backup, for example, like this one. It is really simple and easy to use. Just log in and connect your ClickUp account. Just keep in mind that it is pretty pricey for what it is. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.